YouTube, Jack here, and today we're going to be talking about the periodic table. In 1869, Russian chemist Dmitri Mendeleev started arranging all 60 elements periodically instead of by their atomic weight, which was usual at the time. Now let's get down there organized. Let's start at the outside. First, the periodic table is groups of periods. Periods go down from top to bottom, while groups go from left to right. Now let's look at the different sections. All the way over here are the alkali metals and the alkali earth metals. Alkali metals are very reactive in addition to earth metals being shiny, silvery white, and so unreactive. In the middle of the table are the transition metals. They have luster, they're good conductors of heat and electricity, they're malleable with high melting points, they're usually hard and tough, and they are very dense. Post-transition metals are brittle, have poor strength, and have melting points lower than those of the transition metals. Alloys might be metallic or non-metallic depending on the situation. They were surrounded thing called the staircase. They're compounds of using electronics. To the left of the staircase lie the metals, and to the right, the non-metals. Non-metals tend to have relatively low melting and boiling points. Non-metal is a broad term, also including the noble gases. Speaking of the noble gases are naturally occurring. There are odorless transparent gases with very low chemical reactivity, only being discovered around 1996, as elements were discovered by their reactivity before. Finally, let's get to the bottom of the table, to the lanthanoids and anactoids. Lanthanoids are sometimes called rare earth elements. They are relatively abundant in the Earth's crust. Their chemical properties, they are hard to separate from one another. Anactoids are significant largely because of their radioactivity. Although several members of the group, including uranium, occur naturally, most are man-made. Both uranium and plutonium have been used in atomic weapons for their explosive power, and currently are being employed by nuclear plants for their production for electrical power to further humanity.
Who am I? You sure you want to know? The story of my life is not for the faint of heart. If somebody said it was a happy little tale, if somebody told you I was just your average ordinary guy, not a care in the world, somebody lied.